Hi, it's me again with Corel Drills, Tips and Tricks, and I just can't stop. This is a continuation of how to make this shape, but also after I'm finished, I'm going to show you how I figured something out. And the size doesn't matter. If you look, my circle, my ellipse is only 11.46, and there's a reason for that. So we're going to double click. I put it in this well. I've made a copy like we did before. I'm going to select them on both. I'm going to get my shape. I'm going to put my ellipse back in there. I'm going to double click my rotation and put it in the center, and it is. I'm going to open up a range, transform, rotate. I'm going to go 10 degrees, and I want 35 copies because I've already got one which would be 36, which would be the 10 degrees. Now, that's pretty slick. Every one of them is touching or minutely overlapping to get it perfect. But if you wanted ever to do something like that and make this, then you could group it all together with Control G, and you could make it any size you want, and they're still going to be touching right there. Okay, how I did that is just take a ellipse, put it in the center of the page. We're going to get it closer. We're going to make it 12 inches. We are going to convert it to a curve. Then we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, Properties, and you've clicked on it, and there's your curve. Our curve is 37.7040. Well, we need it to be 36. So we're going to reduce this to 95. And we're at 35, we're too far. 95.5. That's about as close as you're going to get it. Let's go 95.48. That's pretty close. You could 94.5. Whoop, I went the wrong way. Should have just stayed where I was at. That's really close to 36 inches around. It would take 36 inches to create that. So if you draw a 1-inch cube, put it in the center of the page. I always like doing this. Hit T, put it on the top. And we're not going to go through and make the other round. It's 1 inch, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 1. We're going to move it up 1. And you'll see that it's not exactly right because it doesn't have the curvature. But that's good enough. Double click on it, put the rotation in the center. So we know that it's 36 inches around this circle. Let's close the property docker and go back to the range. Transform, rotate. 35, remember that key word because we need 36, but this is a copy. We've already got original. Voila. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.